Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. So last week I have a dentist appointment, and after my dentist appointment, because the Goodwill building and my dentist appointment is really close each other, so I decided to go to Goodwill and look for baby clothing. So I got a couple things for Ayla. They have a really nice cute baby stuff in Goodwill. So I got her, how many pajamas? I got her 3 pajama. So these little pink pajama, and red one is super cute pajama for everyday, good for everyday. And also another pajama. They got this really cute penguin on the back, super cute. Red pajama, another red pajama, and also this pink little dress. And it has a little tie on the back. Super cute, really cute dress. And also this top, yellow top. It says cutest in the whole world. I like the print, so I decided to grab this yellow top. And also this is really cute dress, so cute. Really cute dress on the back like that. And on inside it comes with like a underwear, like the underwear attached together. Very cute dress with a little flowers print on it, super cute. It's a bouncy. I think this is really cute dress. And last one, I got this black one. I think this is really cute, super cute. If they do have different colors, I should pick like different colors for this, because I like the style of the dress. Super cute and stretchy, and like the fabric is like the type of the fabric is like velvety. If you know those type of fabric, guys, super cute style of dress is really cute. I think this one is like fit for her already, but the size of this is 12 months. And also I want to include the things that I got for me. So they're I got a couple items for me. Let's start with these. Let's start with these shoes. The red shoes is super cute. I don't know, I just like saw it and it's super cute. Red sneakers. I remember I only paid $15 for everything because they have those 15% off. So it's like cheap, why not? So I got these super cute red sneakers. Also this pink backpack is super cute. This is what it looks like on the back. It still have tags on it, blue. I don't know how much is it, but this is really good. Oh, it's $5 for this little backpack, and inside it look like that. It's very cute. And I got this another bag, super cute bag. I don't know, it's like cute bag. You got pocket here, and also you can open this right down here. Last item that I got for me is this super cute bracelet. They have really nice jewelry in their store. So I got this super nice bracelet. This is what it looks like when I wear it. Alright guys, this is what look like the bracelet. Super cute. I don't know, I just love it. Super cute, nice bracelet for, I don't remember, maybe this is $5, but it's super cute bracelet. I just love it. It's really cute to pair it to your cute dress or cute outfit. It's just really nice bracelet. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you like this kind of video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.